The amount of biocapacity and resources being recovered each year by our planet is limited. But each year, we consume this amount faster and even overshoot our capacities. Everything we consume after this border is lost past recovery. Residuum stands for the obligation to only consume what's already there. That should be easy, as there's plenty of leftover material. In the fashion industry, for example, up to 47% of virgin material goes to waste even before they reach the consumer. Industrial productions do struggle, though, with small, irregular and incoherent amounts of leftover material, as they mostly handle huge and reliable material streams. But what if there was a systematic approach to handle heterogeneous waste streams? What if working with dead stock material was as uncomplicated and creative as with virgin material? And what if taking a new stance in a design approach could be a solution to saving valuable resources? Knitted things, for example, have great potential. You can unravel them to recreate with the same yarn. So, this is a knitwear pattern of a V-neck vest, and like this, it became a crop sweater with oversized sleeves. And now a dress. And now a shirt. This is the user interface of a rule-based system. Simple moves allow you to change and adapt the design of garments. For example, the length of the sleeves, the curvature of the collar, or the width of the armholes. While the user is creating the desired design through adjusting buttons and sliders, the program calculates the material consumption in real time. Residuum will generate possible design options with various knit techniques which correspond to the amount of dead stock material left. The designer is able to play and be creative, but will also receive all necessary information regarding the material consumption. This enables us to make the most out of limited and irregular stocks. So, how does this work? The input is your leftover yarn quality of choice, and through a more or less complex system of inputs, outputs, wires, and a little coding, you end up with a flexible model. After you are satisfied with the design, the output will be a modified DXF pattern file originating from a previously tested knit pattern. Now, a virtual 3D model will be automated, and the data can be handed over to a knit technician to launch the production of a fully fashioned garment. An approach to reducing waste through rule-based pattern construction and systematic design coding. It gives knit producers the opportunity to skip the time and cost-intensive process of reinventing their leftover material, and offers solutions for some exclusive pieces in small series out of 100% dead stock material. Designing out of dead stock and waste material could be the cheaper and faster alternative. But Residuum is more than just that. The system is asking the question of how much information does a designer need to be able to design for real-world needs. It gives us a preview of how tools for responsible and informed designing and making could look like. It is not about restraining design into a small box of limited options. The box of Residuum can be expanded and broadened. It is about design respecting the boundaries we encounter in real life. And where digital technology is being used to make the most out of the resources we have in the analog world, we get as close to limitlessness as it is possible within limitation.